Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and I want to introduce you to my new best friend.
These are compression socks by Bitly. I have them here in white in a size medium. My shoe size is normally 8 or 8.5, and I find that these medium fit perfectly. You'll see that they have such awesome compression in all the right spots. They have a loose fit around the heel, and then a wider fit around the ankle, more narrow by the toes. But I just find that the whole sock has really nice, comforting compression. So I love them. They have been providing me with such relief, and I just feel this extra stability when I wear them. I love that I can put a sock over them and wear them with my sneakers, which is really helpful. I have a very physical job, so when I need extra support, I'm good to go. But I love too that they are toeless, so I can wear them. I have orthopedic support flip-flops that I wear around the house. I can wear them with that, or I can go barefoot with them. And I just find that they have really been giving me a lot of support, especially in my heels and also even with my ankle. These are everything I was looking for in a compression sock, and I am really happy with them.
I am really grateful for these compression socks. If you have been looking for something similar, I recommend checking these out to see if they'd be a good fit for you, but that's just my point of view.